Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Shanette with Shanette for Life. How are you guys doing today? I am finally back, and I am back with a video to share with you how I made my buffalo cauliflower bites. Don't that sound delicious? Well, they are, you guys, and I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepared them. So please stay tuned, and I will see you guys at the end. Please subscribe to this channel. Make sure you leave a big like, and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for my buffalo cauliflower bites. Of course, we're going to use a head of cauliflower. I have some unsweetened almond milk. I have some old-fashioned oats, onion powder, garlic powder, ground cumin, slap your mama seasoning, smoked paprika, and black pepper. So this is how my cauliflower bites are going to look. Some are big and some are small. I'll cut some down a little bit, but these are how they're going to look. Okay, I took my oats. I took these, let's see. I took these here and I ground them up, and it made this. This is oat flour, and this is about 2 cups. And I'm gonna start putting my seasoning in. I'm using smoked paprika. And I'm gonna use about a half a teaspoon. Teaspoon of that. I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of the onion powder, about a teaspoon of garlic because I like garlic, and you can put as much seasoning as you want depending on your taste buds. And then I got some cumin. I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon of that. And I have some black pepper. I'm gonna do a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And about a half a teaspoon of sea salt. And my favorite ingredient, we're going to use the Slap Your Mama seasoning Cajun, and I'm going to put about a teaspoon. So there's how my seasonings look. Now I'm going to take my almond milk and I'm going to pour. And I would say about a cup to start with, to see if the batter is going to be the right consistency. I'm not really a measuring person. I kind of test it. You don't want it to be really thick, and you don't want it to be too watery, because you want it to stick to the cauliflower floors. This is about the right consistency. I'm gonna now dip my cauliflower in the batter and put it on my foil cover pan. You can use parchment paper, but I chose to use foil, and I used the non-stick foil. So I'm going to coat this really good. And I'm going to stick it in there. This is how they look once they're coated. I'm going to be cooking them on 425 degrees for 20 minutes, and I'm going to turn them halfway through. I heated up some Frank hot sauce in a pan, and then I added it to this bowl, and I am now adding in the cauliflower, and then I'm going to put it back on the foil pan, and I'm going to add it back to the oven for 20 minutes to cook. To the end, I came back on to try them with you to let you know how they turned out. That's not too much work for you. Yummy. They turned out perfect. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you on my next video.